young people in care, this is like gold dust for them to have had this opportunity.
We don't get a lot of opportunities, but like I didn't really have a childhood growing up, but having these trips, like all of the holidays my friends have been on, it like makes me feel a part of that. Because I can be like, I've gone to this place for a purpose more so than a holiday, because I'm learning stuff and this is what I'm passionate about.
The ideas for the Taith trips came directly from young people. We wanted to give young people the experience of once-in-a-lifetime educational opportunity.
I ni syth bin oedd edrych ar y bobl ifanc a meddwl, rhaid dyma ffordd o roi hyder, roi agor gorwelion nhw, gwneud iddyn nhw meddwl am deithio, am llwyth ohonyn nhw byth i gael pasport o'r blaen, byth i feddwl am fynd tu fas o Gymru.
We wanted to take Wales to the world. We wanted to showcase some of the work that we've achieved in Wales for young people in the care system. Scotland was chosen for a few reasons for our first trip. One of those reasons was because it was quite a small trip, so we wanted to raise people's confidence of what that was going to be like, to be on a plane, to prepare to go through security, for example, to be able to do that for our future trips.
So we went to Scotland to meet other care experienced young people and meet people from the Promised Scotland, in order to learn about how the Scottish care system works and what we can learn from the care system in Scotland and can possibly implement in Wales.
After Scotland, we were really excited and looking forward to Geneva. So this was a longer trip over 5 days.
We went to the UN and that's always been like a little dream of mine, because I'm a massive politics nerd, and it's just been really good to sort of like hear about like how the UN actually implements human rights and how they actually work on a global scale, yeah, it was just really interesting.
The feeling, the physical feeling of stepping in to the history of the United Nations was pretty remarkable for young people. The United Nations asked for NYAS Cymru to be part of their Human Rights Committee for non-government organisations. It was something that happened because they were so impressed with the work of NYAS Cymru, and also very impressed with the commitment from our Welsh Government in funding the work that we do. So they wanted to learn from Wales.
So having that opportunity to go to Geneva was really exciting, because I probably wouldn't have gone at any point in my life if I didn't have this opportunity.
I was so excited because getting to it's not just seeing the sights and stuff, but also then getting to take your experience and share that with other people.
Our next trip is New York in February 2026, and we will be going to the United Nations and meeting the top officials within the UN to discuss human rights issues globally for young people, in particular young people in the care system.
Y bwriad ar gyfer Efrog Newydd yw I ddysgu mwy am eiriolaeth. Yn Efrog Newydd ei hunain, maen nhw wedi lleihau y niferoedd o blant sydd mewn gofal.
In New York, I've been told we actually get to speak to attorneys and stuff like that. So I think New York is definitely going to be beneficial when it comes to me and my course. I'm a young mother, I've got a 3-year-old little boy, and social services have been rather difficult since they found out I was in care and I was pregnant and whatnot. So my goal is get my law degree and be able to fight a little bit harder for especially care experienced parents, to kind of like fight against that system and try and change it.
At the heart of it is about human relationships and how people felt they could build their self-esteem from each other.
I've learned a lot more and I found my passion, so I decided to change my degree to youth work, but now I'm really keen to be an international youth worker because on these trips I've basically been doing youth work and I really enjoy it and really want to do a lot more of that and like make the world better basically and the care experience world better.